I feel so good. क्या हो गया भाई? Why did it stop recording? सुबह सुबह क्या नाटक है यार? सुबह सुबह तुम लोग 2 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा लेके I've got very little range. I just have 30 kilometers of range. I got a fuel up. उस दिन I filled up 500 rupees का पेट्रोल saying that I'll do a full tank later on. भूल गया भाई. Well, that's just me. आज फुल टैंक करूँगा.
भाई आज ऑमलेट नहीं बनाऊंगा, आज तेल का ऑमलेट बनाऊंगा.
अचानक से हमला जो हुआ है मेरे पे, I gotta take it easy from here. Damn, all of them are black. Men in black. क्या बात है?
Okay.
Hello there. नमस्कार. फुल करा. फुल हैं? सादा. और कौन सा है? पावर में कितना है इथेनॉल? 12%. पावर ही कर दो फिर. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टॉप. लेट्स गो. ओके, लेट्स गो. क्या बात है? What a beautiful sky. बिल्कुल एकदम ऐसा कैजुअली हम लोग जा रहे हैं, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. मतलब वी आर ऑलवेज फॉलोइंग द स्पीड लिमिट्स गाइस.
अच्छा बहन के
Wow, look at how cinematic that looks. God damn, it's toxic as fuck, but looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. God damn. What factory is this? Every time I come through here, I'm always, in awe of that smoke. But, well, ये smoke चलेगा अपने को, इसका कोई टेंशन नहीं है भाई. But पेट्रोल एकदम ग्रीन होना चाहिए. देखो, पेट्रोल you need to have E20 because environment is environment. Man, the amount of strong ammonia that gas is releasing, god damn, it's very strong. Even through my helmet, even through my balaclava, I can, like, the stench is very strong. चलो भाई, अभी हाईवे आ चुका है. उसके बाद फिर पेला पेली. I just love the way this goes fast ना. The speed rises up fast. The refresh rate of the screen is quite nice. So I love the way it rises करके ऐसा नंबर एकदम फास्ट चेंज होता रहता है. थार रॉक्स.
तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या? This is so humiliating.
I absolutely hate this dude in traffic. क्या जुगलबंदी चलती रहती है पता नहीं इनकी भाई. They'll drive alongside each other. Never overtake fully and get done with it.
खराब हो जाएगा मैं मार.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. We've reached our meetup point. Meetup इधर है भाई KFC. प्रतीक नाही आला अजून. मला फोन पण नाही उचलला त्याने. गुड मॉर्निंग. सॉरी लेट झाला. अच्छा, उशीर झाला का जास्त? मला अजून कोण यायचंय?
Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
चलो निकलते. ओके, इट इज वी आर हाफ एन आवर लेट एज यूजुअल. अभी बस पेला पेली चलने वाली है. That ninja sounds wild, dude. Wild. Absolutely wild. We've begun the ride, and I don't even need to say the crazy lineup that we've got today. I purposely did not talk much about the ride because I just wanted you guys to see it first. That ninja sounds beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Now hear the flyby, huh? Crazy. There's so many riders out here. These are not even people that I know. But of course, this is my group. I just actually got confused for a second. कि अपने कौन से हैं पराये कौन से? Well, सारे ही अपने हैं वैसे. Well, talking about today's lineup, we have of course got the Super Duke 1390. Then we've got the Mini Duke 390. Then the Honda Goldwing. Then the Ninja 1000. Then there are two Tigers. The Tiger XC Adventure 800, the older one, and then there's the newer one, the Tiger 900. But this Ninja the Ninja is stealing the show, dude. It just sounds so damn good. Inline 4 triumphs the no pun intended. The inline 4 just excels in terms of symphony. Whatever he spent on that exhaust, it is absolutely worth it. If only the expressway allowed bigger bikes, man. Yeah, such a shame. Arey, engine got smoked or what? Hi. What's your name? Nice to meet you, bhai. Where are you headed? Where are you headed?
Lonavala.
We are headed the same way.
I saw the motor Morini, I thought it was you.
Yeah.
And the LCV.
Correct. How is it?
Huh?
How is it? Good, right? Sure, see you around. Oh man, that feels so good. I'll make way for the boss. You'll know who I'm talking about. There you go. Look at how wide that thing is.
That's what she said.
Look at how beautiful that thing looks, dude. God damn. Guys, absolutely don't recommend this. Of course, he has been doing this for ages, which is why he is confident enough to pull it off just casually like that. But that doesn't mean that even I for that matter, should do it, should even attempt doing it, because firstly I don't know. But anyway, that looks so damn cool. Oh man, that felt so damn good, man. I mean, I had my morning coffee and it was a super hard espresso, not even like Americano, proper espresso. I just had a decoction of coffee, but that hasn't woken me anywhere close to how this thing has woken me up. The ride, man, adrenaline over caffeine any day. Guys, just a disclaimer. Anything that I do in today's ride, mostly just overspeeding. It is not recommended. Please never ever do that. I am doing it at my own discretion. I am doing it with full attention. So this is not a smart thing to do, okay? I'm just putting it out there. Having said that, was an unnecessary speed breaker. I mean, I understand the logic of it. Even then, bro. If only this thing had a quick shifter, man. Nothing like it. Hey, NX 500. That's a rare sight. What a dumbass speed breaker, man. How does one anticipate the speed breaker? It should have been on the other side. I've never really stretched this bike this much. Well, the company that I have today in this ride, भाई 650cc twin cylinder engine से तुम और क्या ही expect कर सकते हो भाई? I'm like keeping up and with ease. There's not much stress on the engine. Props to the 390 guy though. He's been belting it. I'm gonna have to keep my speedometer blurred at all times. Woo!
मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में.
Feels so good to see lady riders nowadays. Look at that. So cool. Like it has gotten an uncommon phenomenon now. Earlier it was very it has gotten a very common phenomenon now. Earlier it was very uncommon. Now we'll start the ghats. I hope I have enough battery. At least मेरे ऊपर पहुंचने तक please battery रहे. The kids just lost it. किसको लूं? Damn, it's very foggy out here. हाँ. Yes. There's a lot of crowd out here, dude.
All clear.
Hey, what? क्या हुआ?
You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
आइए देखते हैं. चल मजा आएगा.
क्या बोल सकता है? पीछे देख रहा था मैं. कुछ नहीं हुआ ना? नहीं. ओके. गिरा नहीं मैं. 2 सेकंड साथ ले. हाँ.
अरे, I forgot that I have to trek all the way up. Wait. All exhausts went silent for a second. Oh, we've been joined by another Z900. That was a close call. It is, I mean, obviously by the dynamics of it is quite difficult to corner on a cruiser like that. But despite of that, he's leaning over, like he's doing some mad leaning angles, huh? Bro, the brakes have just faded completely. अब बस आगे वाले ब्रेक से काम चलाना पड़ेगा भाई. अच्छा, that bakery, na? Yeah, I remember. Look at that.
Bruh. Oh my god.
The heck?
Hell no, man. What the fuck?
That thing has come off, dude. The heck? Arey, I completely missed all of these. Hayabusa, Street Triple. This is some new thing I've discovered. This thing came off, dude. Seriously. The heck? What the fuck is this, dude? Probably because of the... Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, it is hot. I'm actually leaving a bit early. Not to go home, but to get this thing fixed. This reminds me of my Royal Enfield days, dude, where bolts used to completely come off. ये बोल्ट लगाना है एक, ये लगाने का इधर बोल्ट, ये वाला देखो, एलन की बोल्ट यूज़ करो ना, वैसा वाला है ना आपके पास, वो रैचेट वाला, एलन की वाला नहीं है क्या? इट्स अ वेरी वियर्ड प्लेसमेंट फॉर एन एलन की बोल्ट स्पेशली. फॉर नाउ I don't feel confident about whatever he's done. I have to go home and properly use. I have better tools than him, but at home.
A few moments later.
Yeah, the actual lineup that we've got today. We've got the majestic Honda Goldwing, then the other majestic KTM Duke 1390, and we've got the Kawasaki Z800, Z900, then the Tiger XCA, and the Ninja 10R. Oops, I ruined this shot. Then the Tiger 900, and the Duke 390, and of course the Moto Morini. मी तिकडे जाऊन थांबवतो मग ये, मी असा हात दाखवेन त्याच्यानंतर या. Okay, rolling. I just unnecessarily recreated. If you know what this is, and if you hate what that is, damn, that's a Mustang. Damn, there are two Mustangs. God damn, that's a Z4 behind it. It's either a Z4 or a Swift. मेरा sense of humor बहुत अच्छा है, आपको धीरे धीरे पता चल जाएगा. Okay, we are on our way back now. We had a good heavy breakfast at the German bakery. और अभी वापस मुंबई को वंटास.
A few inches later.
All right, time for some express highway. How it echoes, dude. Crazy, bro, crazy. Okay, we did a little photo op. This is just a pehla session now. which is why I'm like not really speaking much. But this is the kind of ride where I've properly pushed this bike to its, I mean, not the limit, but yeah, I've come close. This thing has like enough power for you to, you know, be satiated. Like it's not at all scary at all, and it's not slow either. Good that it's not, at least not sunny. I'm already exhausted and I've not had enough water, dude, today. I'm completely dehydrated. It has gotten very dark. It is going to rain. Why has it started raining? Oh no, bro. Hug diya pura mausam ne na hug diya. And we've reached Navi Mumbai, and it is rainy here as well. Fuck this rain. Fuck it. Look at that beauty. Look at how beautiful it looks. Rolling shots. Bro, पूरा कचरा कर दिया भाई पूरे मूड का. यार मत. अरे यार, my gear has also gotten dirty now. पूरा, I had washed my gear, you know. We've entered the treacherous urban jungle now.
A few moments later.
Hello. I was so engrossed in riding that I lost touch of where my boys are at. So I'm just thinking Hello? अरे तू एक्झिट कुठे घेतलास? बेलापूरकडे का? मला वाटतं तो मिस केलाय मी आणि मी पुढे आलोय. चल मग भेटू. मजा आली ऑफकोर्स भाई. Yes, chalo, see you. I am very one-dimensional when it comes to motorcycle riding. I have just a tunnel vision of sorts. Unless I have my directions going on, I can't really tell. Man, I could not say bye. So Atharva, if you're watching, sorry brother, I messed up. Man, this was such a hectic ride though. It was tiring because I was belting, literally ringing the throttle all the way. It was a full send kind of a ride. Ah man, I'm tired. Now I'm feeling the stress on my shoulders. You know what, I actually want to say something, that anyone that is aspiring to, and this only applies to people that actually aspire to ride such aspirational machines. The Duke 1390 and Honda Goldwing are some other level altogether. But even something as aspirational as this, if you dream of something like this, I'd suggest you work your level best, give it everything, and finally achieve this. I'm telling you, nothing will compare. You often like get very practical in life, and of course that needs to be there. Passive income, your savings and investments and everything. But once you have all of that covered, push a bit more, and if you aspire to have something like this, get it eventually. Trust me, there's nothing in this world that will make you that happy. And I'm not saying this is the only thing that will make you happy. Of course, your personal life, your career, your success, your personal relationships, all of that matter, of course. But which is why I said, if you aspire on having something like this in your life, I'd say push your level best, give it everything, and finally get it. Be it as materialistic as it is, it does make you happy, man. I mean, the amount of adrenaline that I felt this morning, the amount of genuine happiness that I felt this morning, it is unmatched, dude. I honestly feel this happy in very little things in life, and not everyone will understand this, and no one has to. If it genuinely means this much to you, you should give it everything. You should go out of your way. You should work hard, and get yourself this. Be it anything, be it something as simple as an R15 or something as huge as a Honda Goldwing or a BMW 1300 GS. Be it anything. When you finally work hard, slog your ass, and finally achieve your dreams now, There's nothing like it, man. There's absolutely nothing like it. I don't know, it suddenly got very senti out of the blue. But such things are necessary, man. And what happens is you often get these practical advices कि अरे हाँ यार ये तो temporary चीज़ें हैं. These eventually fade away. The novelty fades away. Everything is acceptable. Everything I agree with. But that doesn't take away the happiness that it gives you. And one does need some validation for their aspirations, for their dreams. So consider this as that, a validation for your aspiration. And again, by the way, again, I want to categorically say this, that all of your aspirations are only worth validating, or are only worth accomplishing if you have, succeeded in life otherwise. You shouldn't be, dreaming or aspiring to about things, especially materialistic things, when you have ukhada or nothing in life. I wouldn't enjoy myself riding a dream bike of sorts, GT650, if I hadn't, earned that money by myself. I wouldn't want my dad's money to be spent on my aspirations, on my dreams. I hope my aspirations don't get stopped by the cops. Thank God. I mean, I'm not doing anything illegal. It's just that थोड़ी फट्टी. Yeah.
Anurag.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Adarsh. Actually, I saw all your videos.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Last week I saw one of your videos. I don't remember actually.
Right.
I love all your videos.
Thank you, man. Chalo. This is pretty much the end of this ride. Again, I still don't know how this will come out as a video, but if magar you're watching this, then I hope you enjoyed. If magar you're not watching this, so then who cares?
Bonus.
This exhaust is not enough. No one gives a fuck about it. मैं GT लेके आता हूँ, रुक जाओ तुम लोग. अब तू देख, अब तू गया बेटा, अब तू गया.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.